It had always been freezing. I mean, before that were old door and windows and what have you, and we just didn't use it in winter. We'd come in, me and my daughter, to put Christmas tree in, and we didn't have that radiator before, which made a lot of difference. We had that heating system, which is rubbish, but we just used to put a fan heater on to heat it up, and then we'd get condensation. We had it as like a little lounge with wicker furniture in it. We wanted it open plan, and we was worried that it was going to let a lot of cold through. And in the long term, we said we would have a roof put on, but it was just affording it. But we decided we needed it doing. I'd seen the company locally, and I think I'd had some flyers put through, if I remember rightly. So we just drove through to the showroom at Garforth to sort of get a feel for it. And then a sales rep came out to sort of discuss it with us. No, we're very silly. We went for the first one we came across, but we'd heard it had got good reviews, and we'd read the brochures and the information before and looked on websites, so we felt it was a reputable company. They were absolutely brilliant, which is why I'd recommend them even more, because it was raining that day and I were panicking because roof were going to come off the old one, and I were off work, and Guy came when he said he would to deliver the roof. And then the rest of the lads came later on. They were really polite and well-mannered, and they just got it done so quickly and efficiently. Cooler in summer as well. For him particularly, I think we had a hot summer that year just before we had it put in, and I think he'd got sunstroke with it. Where it was, even going in there, it just when it was really hot. So now we've got that relief of knowing if he's left when we're at work, it don't get too hot. I have recommended them to my daughter. So she's had windows done.